JN0-1102 Design. Associate, JNCDA, exam dumps have been updated with the actual exam questions and answers. The actual JN0-1102 exam questions with the accurate answers help you pass the Great Juniper JN0-1102 exam. This video shares the JN0-1102 free dumps to help you check the most updated JN0-1102 exam dumps. Question number 1. Which automation tool uses the master minion model for changes? A. Puppet, B. Chef, C. Salt stack, D. Ansible. Answer C. Question number 2. Which two statements are true in regards to the technical specification section of an RFP? Choose 2. A. It should contain the logical and physical topology design requirements. B. It is likely to be read by all decision makers. C. It should contain the bill of materials. D. It should address the customer's goals, scope, and requirements. Answer AC. Question number 3. Which statement is true in regards to VRRP? A. The VRRP members use a control link between the two nodes. B. The VRRP members use an FXP0 link between the two nodes. C. The VRRP members must contain two identical routing platforms. D. The VRRP members can contain two different routing platforms. Answer D. Question number 4. What are two aspects of brownfield projects? Choose 2. A. New networks with few or no restraints to consider. B. Old equipment that should be replaced. C. Legacy applications that are no longer used. D. Next-generation networks created from the ground up. Answer B. C. Question number 5. What are three components of an RFP? Choose 3. A. General information about the existing network environment. B. A list of devices to meet the design requirements. C. A list of design requirements. D. A list of available IP addresses within their current IP allocation. E. The types of solutions that the design must include. Answer ACE. Question number 6. Which two industry-standard automation platforms are used to provision Juniper data center switches? Choose 2. A. Python. B. Chef. C. OpenView. D. Tivoli. Answer AB. Question number 7. What should be the third item in your network design checklist? A. A validation process for analyzing customers' existing environment. B. A process for selecting protocols, address schemes, naming conventions, and so forth. C. A process for understanding the customer's business and technical goals. D. The steps for designing a network topology. Answer D. Question number 8. Which two statements describe business continuity? Choose 2. A. The prevention of interruption to mission-critical services. B. The ability to re-establish full functionality quickly after a disaster. C. Manually turning on a backup server after a disaster. D. Manually loading previously backed up data. Answer: A. B. Question number 9. You are designing a data center network that will require the rapid deployment and removal of security features between virtual machines based on triggered traffic flows. The data center will require the ability to scale up and down rapidly according to traffic load, and then release resources when security services are not needed. In this scenario, which type of security design would fulfill this requirement? A. A centralized security appliance. B. A container-based security deployment. C. A physical security device connected to each host. D. An all-in-one virtual security device in each host. Answer: B. Question number 10. In a network design using the traditional tiered structure, which two tiers connect to untrusted domains? Choose 2. A. WAN edge. B. Aggregation. C. Core. D. Access. Answer: A. D.